In this video, we are going to be analysing BTB. This stock did run up over 185% yesterday, so what are going to be key support and resistance levels for today? So we can see basically kind of where we are now. We do have a level at $29, so depending on where the market opens, this will be a support or a resistance. But if we continue upwards, we have our next resistance at $36, $39, $44 cents, and then going further we have final levels at 51, 75, 112 and 150. Now obviously some of these levels are quite far off. You don't need to pay attention to all of these levels, just pay attention to basically where we are now, because the reason for that is you only have to pay attention to the next level. For example, if you're more bullish on this stock, you pay attention to the current support, which as of right now is this 29 cents. If we can hold it, then you expect to push to 36 cents. And then if we break that, again, you want to see a break above it, come back to retest it as a support. And if it can hold, then you expect to move to the next one. Obviously, it is sometimes harder on these very low price these stocks, because obviously the difference between them is only about 3 to 5 cents, or in this case, 5-7 cents. So it's hard to kind of break over it, come and test it as support. So that's the only problem you have with this, and sometimes it can be better just to look at far away levels. So that, for example, looking at the 29, if you can hold that support, pay attention to 36. If you can hold that, ignore the middle one because they're so close, and pay attention to the 43. Then it just gives you a bit more space between these levels. Now on the other hand, if we start selling off, what are going to be key supports? And really, firstly, the gap fill is going to be the key one, and that's at 11 cents. We also have the first deviation at 14 cents, and then we have a final level at 3 cents. Anyway, that is a breakdown on BTB. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.